Foreign Minister Shah Mahmood Qureshi has disclosed that India was set to attack Pakistan. Speaking to journalists at a presser held in Abu Dhabi, Shah Mahmood Qureshi claimed that he had received information by means of intelligence agencies that India was preparing to launch a surgical strike against Pakistan.
I've learned through our intelligence sources, and they have picked up this information, that India is planning a surgical strike against Pakistan.
Proclaiming that Pakistan was fully aware of India's conspiracies, he warned that Islamabad would respond befittingly should New Delhi initiate military action.
I want to tell India very clearly that Pakistan is fully prepared to respond and to defeat their designs. We will do it effectively, as we did respond immediately and effectively in February 2019.
According to Shah Mahmood Qureshi, India was in the process of seeking approval from key allies.
I also have knowledge that they have tried to seek tacit approval from important players who they consider to be their partners.
Deciphering the reason behind this misadventure, he said that was meant to divert attention from issues such as Indian Occupied Kashmir.
This misadventure is being planned, in our opinion, by India to divert attention from serious internal issues that have been there and they're mounting. To begin with, the situation in the illegally Indian occupied Jammu and Kashmir, the situation was never good, but it has deteriorated further.
It is pertinent to mention here that Pakistan had recently shared a dossier with the global community alleging India is sponsoring terrorism in Pakistan.
Pakistan and I exposed Indian designs through a dossier which was shared with the media, with the press, and with the international community on the 14th of November this year, in which I highlighted with irrefutable evidence the Indian sponsorship of terrorism in Pakistan, how their soil was being used against Pakistan, how they were using soil in the neighborhood, planning, financing, providing material support to terrorists, and actually promoting terrorism inside Pakistan.